Tired of battling belly fat that won't go away? Do you get cold sweats just thinking about working out? Don't give up. The gym is not where hope may be found. In this video, we spill the beans on how to lose belly fat without exercising. You'll learn quick, easy-to-follow tricks for losing weight without putting in long hours at the gym. Prepare to kiss that annoying belly fat farewell and welcome a leaner, healthier self. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more such interesting videos. 1. Be mindful of your diet. Being mindful of your diet is essential for losing tummy fat. An increase in fat accumulation, particularly in the abdominal region, can be brought on by a diet heavy in processed foods, sugary beverages, and harmful fats. A diet high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, on the other hand, can aid in the reduction of belly fat and enhance general health. An array of diverse food categories, including fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean meats, and healthy fats, should be included in a balanced diet. Consuming meals high in fiber, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, might help you feel full longer and lower your risk of overeating. Lean meats, poultry, fish, and nuts are among the foods that are crucial for preserving a healthy weight and minimizing belly fat. It's also crucial to watch your portion sizes and keep your calorie consumption under control. The danger of overeating may be decreased by keeping track of your daily caloric intake and making sure you are consuming the proper quantity of food for your body. Additionally, since certain meals and beverages might lead to an increase in belly fat, it's crucial to avoid them. Choose low-fat milk, green tea, and water instead. These calorie-free drinks can keep you hydrated and lower your risk of overeating while still being low in calories. Controlling your diet is essential for losing belly fat. You may reduce belly fat and enhance your general health by eating a balanced diet that contains fiber, protein, and healthy fats while avoiding processed meals, sugary beverages, and high-fat foods. 2. Keep yourself hydrated. A key component of losing belly fat without exercise is staying hydrated. Your body prefers to retain water when you are dehydrated, which can cause bloating and a large abdomen. By flushing out extra salt and water from your body, drinking adequate water will help you feel less bloated, by filling you full and decreasing your propensity to overeat. Drinking water before a meal can also help you consume fewer calories overall. Water consumption throughout the day can also assist to speed up your metabolism, which can help you lose belly fat. Although it is advised to consume at least 8 glasses of water each day, the precise quantity you require might change depending on your activity level, food, and environment. Drink water whenever you feel thirsty, and be sure to consume enough to ensure that your urine is light yellow or clear. You may include additional hydrating drinks like green tea, herbal tea, and low-fat milk in your diet in addition to water. These beverages have few calories and can improve several health conditions, including belly fat loss. Additionally, it's crucial to pay attention to how much sugar and caffeine you're ingesting, as these substances can cause bloating and dehydration. In conclusion, maintaining hydration is crucial to losing abdominal fat without engaging in physical activity. By increasing metabolism, reducing overall calorie consumption, and reducing bloating, drinking enough water and other hydrating drinks can help decrease belly fat. 3. Obtain sufficient sleep. Sleeping enough hours each night is essential for losing abdominal fat without exercising. Cortisol and ghrelin, two hormones that regulate appetite and metabolism, are greatly influenced by sleep. Lack of sleep can cause cortisol levels to rise, which can cause belly fat to grow. On the other side, obtaining adequate sleep can lower the chance of overeating and weight gain while assisting in regulating cortisol levels. To provide your body adequate time to relax and regenerate, it is advised that you receive between 7 and 9 hours of sleep each night. Lack of sleep can cause energy levels to drop and stress levels to rise, both of which can increase belly fat. Making an enjoyable sleeping environment and a nightly ritual might also help you obtain enough rest. Reading, practicing meditation, or having a warm bath before bed are some examples of this. Before going to bed, stay away from devices and blue light to get better quality sleep. In summary, getting adequate sleep is crucial for losing belly fat without exercising. In addition to helping to manage hunger and metabolism regulating hormones, obtaining 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night can also help you feel less stressed, eat less, and gain less weight, all of which can help you lose belly fat. 4. Reduce stress. Stress management is crucial for losing abdominal fat without exercising. Cortisol levels can rise as a result of stress, which can result in weight gain, especially around the midsection. Chronic stress can increase belly fat by stimulating unhealthy food desires and causing emotional eating. There are several techniques to lower stress levels and enhance general well-being. Regular physical activity, such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing techniques, is one of the most efficient strategies to reduce stress. These pursuits can help in lowering stress levels, enhancing brain sharpness, and encouraging general relaxation. Making time for self-care activities like lengthy baths, reading, and socializing with loved ones is another approach to lower stress. These activities can lessen stress and enhance general well-being. To lower stress levels, it's also critical to prioritize chores and practice effective time management. You may lessen stress and enhance general well-being by making a realistic schedule and establishing attainable goals. In summary, lowering stress is a crucial component in losing belly fat without exercising. You may lower stress levels, enhance mental clarity, and encourage general relaxation by engaging in regular physical exercise, practicing self-care, and managing your time wisely. All of these things can help you lose belly fat. 5. Avoid late-night snacking. Snacking at night is a significant contributor to abdominal obesity. Eating late at night gives your body less time to burn off the calories, which causes more fat to be stored, especially in the stomach region. Try to take a small, nutritious snack early in the evening or refrain from eating anything after supper to prevent late-night munching. 6. Reduce your alcohol intake. Cutting back on alcohol intake is crucial for losing abdominal fat without exercising. Alcohol has a lot of calories and might make you gain weight, especially around your midsection. Overindulging in alcohol can also result in overeating since it can cloud judgment and make it more likely that one would make poor food decisions. Additionally, drinking alcohol can alter sleep patterns, which can lower sleep quality and raise cortisol levels. Since cortisol is a hormone linked to weight gain and belly fat, cutting back on alcohol is essential to lowering cortisol levels and preventing weight gain. It is advised to pick low-calorie choices, such as light beer or wine, and to restrict the number of alcoholic beverages consumed each week. To lessen the overall amount of calories ingested from alcohol, it's also crucial to drink lots of water and switch between alcoholic beverages and water. In conclusion, cutting back on alcohol is a key component in losing belly fat without exercising. You may lower the number of calories you eat from alcohol, improve sleep patterns, and lower cortisol levels, all of which can lead to a decrease in belly fat by limiting the number of alcoholic beverages you consume each week and opting for low-calorie choices. 7. Add probiotics to your daily diet. Probiotics are good microorganisms that can help with belly fat loss. They help in gut health improvement, which can lessen inflammation and helps in weight loss. Probiotics are found in abundance in foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables. 8. Try natural remedies. Additionally, using natural treatments like ginger, apple cider vinegar, and green tea can assist loss of abdominal fat. Catechins, a naturally occurring substance found in green tea, have been demonstrated to increase metabolism and decrease fat accumulation, particularly in the abdominal region. Ginger can help in enhancing digestion and reduce bloating, while apple cider vinegar can assist in controlling blood sugar levels and decreasing inflammation. You may reduce belly fat and enhance your general health by making little adjustments to your food, way of life, and behaviors. Keep in mind that patience and persistence are the keys to success. If you follow these tips, you will eventually notice results. Losing belly fat without exercise is a process that calls for tolerance, perseverance, and commitment. You may have a flatter, healthier tummy by controlling what you eat, staying hydrated, getting adequate sleep, lowering stress, avoiding late-night snacking, consuming less alcohol, adding probiotics to your diet, and using natural therapies. Wishing you success as you work toward becoming healthier. Thanks for watching this video on tips to reduce belly fat without exercise. If you found this information helpful, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. See you in our next video.